You ready?
Yeah.
I got this at the West Hill and got second place. And here's my trophy.
How did you get it? What did you have to do to get it?
Do my book.
Your Bible verses?
Yeah.
Cool. That's a neat looking trophy. You got anything else to say?
No.
No? Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Nothing else?
No.
Okay. Well, there's Eric and his trophy that he got from the West Hill Baptist Church. You going to say bye to everyone?
Bye.
Bye.